Morning, ladies and gentlemen, it's Chris from Canopy's a 4x4 here today. I've got another fitting video for you. It's going to be a fiberglass canopy fitted on this current generation Ranger. I'm going to stop saying next gen Ranger. They've been out for a handful of years now. Anyway, pretty straightforward. It's going to be one of the ones that we color coded in-house, of course, in our paint booth. Lift up windows both sides, central locking on the rear door. I'm going to stop explaining it. We're going to get into it, and then afterwards we'll talk about it. How about that? Alrighty guys, all done and dusted. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the fitting process. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, those legally mandated phrases that I got to tell you because I got a YouTube channel for I think I got like 835 subscribers as of today. So, but I'm doing all right. Anyway, so central locking on the rear door on this fiberglass canopy, right? So to operate that one, pretty straightforward. You get the car key, boom, unlocked. Peel that up right away. You can have a look. Dan, show the people, look how much space they get in there, man, right? I just want to assure the people that this wasn't us, all right? That was on there when it came here, cuz, all right? I've got photos. Anyway, as an aside, what do we got? We've got the vinyl interior, gives it that nice little premium finish. You've got the front sliding window on all of these fiberglass canopies so that you can clean the front window of the cab a little bit easier. You can also crack that open in dusty environments to pressurize the inside. We've got a little LED light over here, battery operated one, very, very straightforward to brighten up those dark evenings of yours. All right. Very, very straightforward. We'll come around to the side here as well. This one, the customer has spec'd this with a sliding window. This sliding window opens from both sides, which I'm not going to demonstrate now, but what you do is you just hop in from the inside to open it. It can't be accessed from the outside, understandably. So if you've got a dog, fiberglass canopy is a lovely, lovely way to go. On this passenger side, we've got the lift up windows. Flick those open like that. Boom, right up here. Other than that, there's really not much else to say. If you're looking for a fiberglass canopy or a steel canopy for any of the utes that you can get access to on the market today, ozcanopies.com.au is the place to go. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you subscribe because we have a lot more of these fitting videos in the pipeline. I don't know why I did the hand action. Anyway, other than that, we'll see you guys next time.